The Registrar-Atlas is a study on the domain industry, which we have conducted for the third time now. And while we've been looking at the German market only in the first round, we've expanded that to looking at the Netherlands, Austria and Switzerland in the second round. And for this year's study, we've looked at 8 markets in Europe. Those who see this video will have heard of the launch of new TLDs. So applicants had the opportunity to apply for new extensions such as .Amsterdam and many others. And we were certainly interested in finding out how the registrars think about these new opportunities. One interesting trend is that the registrars are not that much keen on carrying the new TLDs from day one. Most of them, I guess, think that the burden of onboarding all these new registries is too high for them to get direct accreditation. So there's a huge percentage of registrars that are only going to offer new extensions as resellers. At the same time, we found out that, interestingly, there's a quite substantial amount of respondents who said that they're going to increase the number of accreditations for existing TLDs. So there seems to be some sort of a conservative approach that, well, they're open to the new TLDs, certainly, but at the same time they plan to invest resources in taking on board more of the existing extensions such as .nl, .de, .web, .com, .net.org and others. What's outstanding for the Dutch market is the deployment of DNSSEC. DNSSEC are the security extensions to the DNS to help prevent certain vulnerabilities. And in last year's study, we saw a very high percentage of registrars that said they saw a huge demand by their customers for DNSSEC. And that was not visible in any of the other markets. And this year we saw that there was a very high percentage of actually domain names signed with DNSSEC. So there was not only demand, but actually DNSSEC is used now. And we looked into why that was the case, and certainly there was a correlation with SIDN giving bonuses to registrars that help deploy DNSSEC, which to us clearly showed that unless the registries and registrars in a joint effort help penetrate the market with DNSSEC, it's not going to come by itself.